What's up, y'all? But go ahead, put this barbecue sauce on here. The Budweiser barbecue sauce. Can't go wrong with that. Tall boy, little seasons and stuff. Let's walk outside in the rain while I'm out here trying to barbecue while it's raining. Whew. Yeah, hot. I'm gonna dab a little barbecue sauce on these ribs. Yeah, buddy. Dab that stuff on there. Yeah, looking great. And a lot of y'all say you want some of this stuff off the grill. Yeah, it is. Come Ohio, I might cook for y'all one time. Shit looking good as hell. Can't wait for it to get done. Look at that. Dab that barbecue sauce on there. Uh-huh. Looking great. A little steak in the back. Chin line. Uh-huh. Can't wait for this shit done. Mouth watering already. Got that corn on the top. That corn on the cob. You gotta have corn on the cob. Growing up, you growing up, you ain't got corn on the cob. You doing something wrong. Gotta have that corn on the cob. Alright, alright, y'all. Let's drop a little video for y'all. So y'all like cooking out and stuff. I'm trying to show you what we do down here in the hive. And dab that shit up. Alright, y'all. Y'all take it easy.